We're filming right here. What's that? Oh wow, people. Hey, what's this one say right here? And on the 5th day, God said, "Let the waters bring forth." What's that word? Almighty.
Dad.
The moving creation that hath life, and follow that may fly above the earth in the open format of heaven. Genesis 1:20.
Can I show you something? Dad, can I ask you something?
Yeah. What?
Can I please go to Papa on FaceTime, and show him me holding a bird to him?
There's no service in here, honey.
No, the other is.
No.
I could do that. I mean, if your mom's all right with it, but we gotta walk around first.
Can we come back and do it later?
Come on, Skylar. Oh wow. Terry, wait a minute.
Whistles. Watch this.
Wow, what's that one do? Hey, hello, bird. Oh, he's dancing. Terry, look at this one. He's dancing. Hello.
Hey, do you whistle?
Hello.
Dance.
Yeah, dance. You like to dance?
Whistle. Ready? Dance.
You like to dance? Yeah, there you go.
Dance.
Yeah. Hello.
2, 1, dance.
Oh, hey, whistle, just like Skylar did.
No way.
Hello.
Dance.
I have to play Freebird.
Dance. It's trying to get out.
He said yes. Well, he's not doing
Cool. Skylar, you got the whistle.
everything. They live muscle.
Well, good to see you, bird. Oh. What's this one do, babe? Honey, what's this one do? Hello. How are you?
That's a carpenter.
He's cleaning his claws or something.
There's a parrot, Dad. Here's a parrot garden.
Hello. How are you doing? How you doing? Huh? What's that? Yep. Yeah, see that. What is it?
The prayer garden.
The prayer garden. Yeah, I've been wanting to go to that too. Wow.
Oh, no, it's that. No, look at that.
That's beautiful right there. The birds. Oh, look at this. It's the prayer garden, y'all. Right here. Wow. Wow. That is awesome right there. Ready? Sit down. Sit down.
Just say cheese. It's okay. Well, water ain't gonna kill you.
That was so cool.
Let's get us all in here.
Ow.
I know how to do it.
Come here, kid.